the bike looks now with the top box and the side panniers. In my first impressions, it looks really good, touring ready. Now these two are side open type panniers, and this is the top box which I got yesterday. So this is the same key which I got for these side panniers, and same for the top box. And same goes with the other one. Now coming to the top box, this is how it unlocks. Okay, so this does not come with this. This is mine. So this is the top rack with all the fittings inside this, and later I will show how I'm going to install it. Now if you can notice, this is stopping by itself due to these new hinges. Okay, these are the new designs, as previous ones like on this it does not stop. So if I so it goes like this. So this was the problem with the earlier one. Now they have fixed it. Okay, now you guys can see it's 0. I'm putting this down, and this is 3 kgs with the carton box. Okay, so these are the mounting fittings which I got. So these are all the Allen bolts with the spacer, nylon spacers, which is a good thing, because it doesn't get rusted easily. This is the top rack mounting plate with the 4-spool setup. So it's a hollow structure. First I thought it's going to be a rubberized material when I saw on their website. So this is not the case, as it is not rubberized. However, it has some texture on it. So with the marking, this is where the top box is going to be get locked. Okay. This is top mounting plate. This is of mild steel. It's quite heavy. Like I mentioned, all this combination, including that carton box, small carton box, it's roughly around 3 kgs in weight. So this is MS. Probably this could have been done in aluminum, but anyways, now these are the lower mounting what should I say, rods. However, the welding finish is not at all up to the standards. If you can see, there are some holes in it, roughly grinded, not at all finished. That is the same case with the other one, if you can see. So I did not expect this sort of welding or sort of finishing from carbon racing. These are again of mild steel, 3 mm or just 3 or 5 mm plate, mild steel. So these are all the fittings. As I mentioned, they did not provide any sort of installation manual, so I have to find out by myself. with the help of images on their website. So again, this is a 3 mm mild steel plate with powder coating on it. The powder coating finish is good. However, they could have, you know, grinded the edges somehow, like in these corners. Not saying that to all the edges, but since corners, mount some bungee cords around it, then it's going to get cut. So, and I'm guessing this is going to be like this. Okay, now looking at their website, and I can see this is how it's going to be. Okay, for now I'm keeping things loose. So let's install the top plate. So now let's install the top plate one by one. Now I'll show you how to remove this top box. Okay, I have unlocked the locking mechanism, and I guess I have to pull this thing and it's out. Okay, so for now I am keeping this aside. If you can see that these carrying handles I have with them on my side panniers as well. So we have to align these spools with this. Yeah, I guess Yeah, it's locked. Yeah. Now it's locked.